Hello friends, welcome back to a new topic. So friends, today in this video we will share about the concept of writ of habeas corpus as to what are its meanings, what is the object of habeas corpus, who may apply for habeas corpus, and what is the procedure for applying it in court as to how a writ of habeas corpus is filed, and what are the grounds for issuing the writ of habeas corpus. So basically we see the general meaning of habeas corpus. The literal meaning of habeas corpus is you may have the body. The writ of habeas corpus is a writ for securing the liberty of a person where such liberty is wrongly taken away. The writ is issued to produce a person who has been detained whether in prison or in private custody before a court, and to release him if such detention is found illegal. However, recent development of the law indicates that in the writ of habeas corpus, the production of the body of the person alleged to be unlawfully detained is not essential. In the case of Kanu Sanyal versus DM, it was held that the production of the body of the persons alleged to be wrongfully detained is ancillary to the main purpose of the writ in securing the liberty of the subject illegally detention. Now, what is the object of filing of the habeas corpus is that the object of the writ of habeas corpus is not to punish the detaining authority, but only to release a person from the illegal detention. That is the object of filing a petition for habeas corpus, that the object is not to punish the detaining authority, but to release a person from the illegal detention. The question for habeas corpus writ is whether the subject is lawfully detained, and if he is, the writ cannot issue, and if he is not, the writ must be issued in your favor. Now, who may apply for the habeas corpus? An application can be filed or made by any person on behalf of the prisoner as well as by the prisoner himself. Even a letter to the judge mentioning illegalities committed in prisoners in jail can be admitted. Even the courts can act suo motu in the interest of justice on any information made available to it or conveyed to it by anyone. Now, what is the procedure for applying for the writ of habeas corpus? In this case, an application for a writ of habeas corpus has to be accompanied by an affidavit stating the nature and circumstances of the restraint. If the court is satisfied that a prima facie case for granting the prayer has been made out, it issue a rule nisi calling upon the opposite party to show cause on a specified day as to why the court will consider the merits of the case on the basis of the returns or the grounds showing in the petition for detention, and thereafter he will pass an appropriate order. Now, what are the grounds for issuing a writ of habeas corpus? The traditional function of the writ of habeas corpus has been to get the release of a person who has been wrongfully or unlawfully detained or arrested. However, in the case of Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration, Krishna Iyer, Justice Krishna Iyer opened a new ways for the issuance of a writ of habeas corpus. In this case, a convict had written a letter to one of the judges of the Supreme Court alleging inhumane torture to fellow convict. Justice Krishna Iyer has treated this letter as a petition of habeas corpus, and Supreme Court has widened its scope by giving relief through the writ against inhumane torture and a cruel treatment meted out to the prisoners in the jail. Another case is Menka Gandhi versus Union of India, and in that case, the decision of the Supreme Court has electrified the whole concept of liberty by holding that the procedure established by law in Article 21 means fair and reasonable procedure. And accordingly, we can say that a writ of habeas corpus would lie if the law which deprives a person of his liberty is not fair and just, and in that case, a writ of habeas corpus can be granted for releasing a person from illegal detention, in that case, if he was illegally arrested. So friend, this is a very short videos on the concept of habeas corpus so that you will know the general meaning and concept for examination point of view as to what are the basic nature, meanings, procedure, grounds for filing the writ of habeas corpus. So friends, please share the video with others and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.